Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see how to utilize Tesseract OCR with its training tools on Windows. We will see it with the help of Cygwin. In this session, we will see that without building or compiling Tesseract OCR from source or from Git, how can we utilize it on Windows using Cygwin? As I had mentioned in my earlier video that in Cygwin you have options to install ready-made Tesseract binaries with training tools. Today we are going to see them. There is a drawback for this Tesseract from Cygwin, so that I will mention while showing the practical on that particular step. For this purpose, you will need to follow only two steps. First step is, if you are doing this very first time, then you need to download Cygwin setup. Second, if you have already installed Cygwin on your system, then you need to run the setup again. As I am installing Cygwin very first time, hence I have already downloaded the setup of Cygwin. So I will execute the setup. Next, over here, root directory or installation directory of Cygwin will be C drive Cygwin64 folder. My package directory will be this. Next, and over here I need to be very careful while selecting the server from which Cygwin will download all the packages, because if I have selected any wrong server, in that case the download speed will be very slow and I need to wait for longer time. So I will select this particular server, and then next over here I will search for Tesseract. Okay, and I will change the view to full. As you can see on the screen that I have a list of Tesseract OCR packages or libraries are available in Cygwin as default. Over here, I will select this lib Tesseract OCR underscore 3 and its version 3.05. And in case if you want to develop Tesseract OCR as well, in that case you can check this source code checkbox as well. Then I will use this Tesseract OCR, which will install binary of Tesseract OCR. So in case of Windows, it will be executables.exe file. So I will again choose 3.05. And again, if you want to build or work on Tesseract OCR, then you can click on this source code checkbox. Then I will download these English language files that will be for version 3.04. The reason being 3.04 and 3.05 have similar format. Then I will download this core cassette files, again version 3.04. English language files for training, again version 3.04. Okay, so I will select all these options and I will put other options as is, such that skip. Okay, and then I will click on next. Over here, as you can see that it will show me number of packages and libraries those are going to be installed. So over here we will go to this Tesseract. Over here Tesseract, in this list of packages and libraries, you can see that it has automatically added Tesseract 4.1.1, and over here as you can see that it has selected binary for Tesseract OCR as 3.05. So what I will do is I will press the next, and then I will wait for a few minutes till the execution gets complete. As you can see on the screen that I have got an error that this Tesseract OCR 3.05 binary or executables are not available for the download. The following package had download errors. So they are saying that either I should retry or click on the back to package selection, or I can continue. So again I will try with retry. Again I have got the same error. Again I will retry, and you can see that on a number of retries I am getting the same error again that the package had download errors. So what I will do is I will click on this back button and will go to this package selection page, over here, what I will do is I will click on this Tesseract OCR and will click this skip option. Okay, and I will click next. Over here, we'll again go to the list of packages and libraries. Those are going to be installed by Cygwin. Now, you can see that earlier we have this Tesseract OCR binary of version 3.05, but as soon as we have removed version 3.05 binaries or executables from the list, Cygwin has automatically added Tesseract OCR of version 4.1.1. That is the latest package of Tesseract OCR binary. The drawback that I was referring in this video earlier was this, that Tesseract OCR 3.05 is not available for download. Hence, we cannot use Tesseract OCR 3.05 with its training tools on Cygwin. If you want to use Tesseract OCR directly without building or compiling it from source or Git. In case if you want to compile and build Tesseract OCR from source, in that case, yes, you can use Tesseract OCR 3.05. But in case if you don't want to go with compiling and building Tesseract OCR from source, in that case, you need to work with latest package of Tesseract OCR. So I will click on next, and again we have not selected this Tesseract OCR binary 4.1.1. It has been automatically added by Cygwin. I have also tried to find a way to remove these automatically added packages by Cygwin, but unfortunately I was not able to find any way. So again I will click on this next, and now we will wait for a few minutes till the execution gets complete. Once the execution has been done, we will click on this create icon on desktop and add icon to start menu. It's fine if you want to go ahead with it or not. Then finish. Now we will open Cygwin terminal. Over here, once the Cygwin terminal has opened, I will execute this command tesseract, and you can see that all the different options which are available to be used with Tesseract are showing on the screen. So these are the different options that we can utilize with Tesseract command. Now if I say Tesseract dash dash version, then it will tell me that the Tesseract version is 4.1.1. Now next thing is I will say which Tesseract. So it will tell me the installation directory of Tesseract executables that we can utilize on Windows. So it's user bin Tesseract. So for that, I will go to the installation directory or root directory of Cygwin. In my case, it is C drive Cygwin 64 name folder. I will click over here, and then as it is user bin Tesseract, so this is the bin, and over here I will search for Tesseract. You can see that over here, Tesseract executables. Okay, so let's say if I am going to open terminal from here, and if I execute the same command Tesseract over here, you can see that we have got different options that we can utilize with this Tesseract command. Again, if I say Tesseract version, you can see that we have got the version 4.1.1. That is the latest one. Now, second thing, that right now I am in the directory where I am able to access Tesseract executables. But what if I start this terminal from anywhere else, and if I am able to run Tesseract OCR or not? So for that, I will open the terminal in normal way, and let's see if I'm able to access Tesseract OCR or not. So you can see that we have got this error. Tesseract is not recognized as an internal or external command. So to overcome this issue, we need to edit environment variable. So I will search for environment path variable and edit the system environment variables. Over here in this path, I will copy this entire path. I will copy this entire path and put it in the environment variable. Okay. And now I will again open terminal or CMD. Now if I execute the tesseract command again, you can see that now we have got different options available to be used with Tesseract command. Another thing that I want to show you is right now I am in the Cygwin terminal. Over here, I will go to this directory user share test data, and I will list all the files and folders available under this directory, under this folder. As you can see that over here we have got this English trained data file for English language. Okay, so we can confirm that Tesseract OCR with training tools is available on Windows with the help of Cygwin. Now I will close this Cygwin terminal. So I will go to this desktop, and over here this is my test png file. So you can see the content of this test png file. The content is hello, how are you? So as now we have edited our path environment variable, tesseract command is available to be used on any location on Windows. So on desktop, I will say CMD. I will open the command line or terminal, Windows terminal over here. Now I will say Tesseract test png and std out, which means I want the output on this terminal only. Okay, and as you can see that we have got the text hello, how are you from this test png file. So over here with the help of Tesseract we are able to extract the text from this image successfully. This is how you can utilize Tesseract OCR on Windows using Cygwin without building or compiling it from source. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.